recreates what he destroys. No, you're not gonna cry when I poke out your eye. People have a little fun, and then we'll make a little noise. A case in point: super explosive rocket, extremely dangerous. Keep out of reach of children. See? That is way cool! Now which one? Which one? Oh, I've always wanted to send a spaceman into orbit! Yeah! Today's the glorious day when I blow you away. You will meet your end, my little friend, when this device deploys. Big is bigger than blood. We blast you right off this rock. We will have a little fun, and then we'll make a little noise. I'm the Da Vinci of destruction. I'm the Van Gogh of violence. I'm the Rembrandt of wreckage. Let's have a moment of silence.
Sid! Where are you, you rotten kid?
I'm out here, Ma!
Well, come in here and help me scratch my back. Now, Sid!
All right already! I'll see you later, spaceman.